We want to go ahead and remove our 10mm bolt right underneath here. This is holding the bracket and our expansion tank for our radiator. Once you remove that bracket, we'll set that aside. At this stage here, if you want, you can open up the expansion tank, and if you have a suction tool, you can go ahead and drain any of the antifreeze or coolant out of your reservoir. And just go ahead and pop off our cap here off of our expansion. And put our lower pin into the fan assembly. Put this notch into this fan. Once that pops in, I'm going to go ahead and take our bracket, line this up. All right, once that bracket is in place, I'm going to go ahead and get our bolt installed. I'll go ahead and tighten this down. Just going to install our expansion tank hose here. Then we're going to add coolant to our expansion tank. There'll be a low and a full line on this here. You want to go ahead and fill it up to the full line. Go ahead and fill up our coolant reservoir to that max line up top.